Hey everyone. If you're facing issues with voice messages not working on Discord for PC, don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through some easy fixes. Let's get started. First, try closing the Discord app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the problem. If that doesn't help, log out of Discord and log back in. To do this, click on the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access user settings. From there, click Log Out and confirm your choice. After that, sign back in using your username and password. This can refresh your session and fix any hiccups. Another effective solution is to restart your device. Just press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on by pressing the power button. This can clear any temporary issues. If the voice messages still aren't working, try connecting to a different network. Click on the network icon in the notifications area and switch to another available network. This can help if there are connection problems. Next, check your internet connection. Again, click on the network icon to see if your connection is stable. If there are issues, you may need to troubleshoot your network. If none of these steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord app. Press the Windows icon, type Uninstall App, and find Discord. Click on the three dots next to it, select Uninstall, and confirm. Then, head over to discord.com/download. Click Download for Windows, and follow the prompts to reinstall. And there you go. Hopefully, these steps will help you get your voice messages working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.